Hey everybody, today we're in a Nissan Armada. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 854536. Now before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. This mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as this red covering here and in here. Now you'll want to peel that covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that adhesive is designed so that it won't leave any marks or residue behind if you ever have to remove the mount in the future. And the second thing is, make sure you install the mount to the dash before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. The first thing we're gonna have to do is open the glove box, and this mount is going to go into the seam right here between the leather piece and then this hard inner part of the glove box. So we're going to take the included gap opener and we just want to insert it right about there, like right below where this bend starts to go down into the dash. And then we're going to take this angled edge on the longer side of the mount and we're going to insert that right on this flat piece here, right along the seam. And then you kind of want to spin the mount around so that edge hooks behind the plastic. And then we can remove the gap opener. And now we're going to go over here and we basically want to pull the mount this way so this edge hooks in behind the leather piece that's right here and the hard plastic of the center console. There you go. Now that that's in place, close the glove box, and we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.